Nongialam BJP Meghalaya uba one ket bok poshna ubadei ru State General Secretary Jong BJP henya kasngi ka khanru tarik yong habakran shikilat pathai khubor office rekam Jong BJP habiva road halor ka jingbym shah iaid procession ka sorkar BJP hedel hiya kasngi utrai ula pyntip ba omla banong halor kani shushu uba poshna ula penrap baha ka khalar tarik ka procession jong ka wei kanyam kim shimlala banyat da ka baong ba tharai ba kani ka dei kamat ka bakhya ula ong ba ka jingbym ai jingbyn kala banlong ba khubor ba dei pet kila pen pa ya ka daw jong ka jingbym sha ula kamru ba ki paidbah ki let shayeng mani ha ka sngi utrai slatalai ka jingbym sha ka dei tang ka jingyat procession na ka wei ka yeng mani sha ka wei henry kim shimla khang ya ka jingmani blai hapo kani ka jaka padan ka yeng mani
religious procession during Palm Sunday, Catholic religious procession. Nothing has come out from State BJP.
Actually, I will not be able to comment much on what has happened in Delhi because that is a different law and institution. But yes, was that singled out only for a Catholic religious
Palm
procession?
Sunday is mainly.
No, because I think so. If you look, what we read on the 12th, the 13th was Palm Sunday, and on the 12th, even another procession, religious procession of another religion, was denied permission. So I don't think so. That's an issue there to look at.
No, but the issue way under the regime of BJP.
No, that's not true. Actually, that's not true. That's denying permission for something which the government has put out. Maybe the law enforcing agencies have put off their point to deny the permission. So that should not be looked out as something like infringement of religious rights. We are free to practice the faith which we want.
Here they are free, but in Delhi.
No, it's free. Delhi also is free. I think people go to church. Palm Sunday was celebrated in Delhi, Madhya Pradesh, as we can see everywhere. It was celebrated with fervor and with piousness. And there's nothing. The only thing is that if I'm not mistaken, because I did not go through, they were denied to walk a procession from a particular church to the other, but they were not denied permission to worship within the compound.
But why the BJP on the state